Welcome to our channel. If you want to renew your passport online without visiting a passport acceptance facility, follow these step-by-step instructions for a convenient renewal process available in many countries. Step 1. Visit your country's official passport renewal website. For U.S. citizens, this is travel.state.gov. Verify that you're eligible for online renewal, which typically requires your current passport to be undamaged and issued within the last 15 years. Step 2. Create an account or log in to the online passport renewal system. You'll need to provide your email address and create a secure password for your account. Step 3. Complete the online application form by filling in your personal information, including full name, date of birth, social security number, and contact details. Ensure all information matches your current passport. Step 4. Upload a recent passport photo that meets official requirements. The photo must be taken within the last 6 months, with a plain white or off-white background, and show your full face clearly. Step 5. Pay the passport renewal fee online using a credit card, debit card, or electronic check. The standard renewal fee for adults is typically around $130, though fees vary by country and service type. Step 6. Review all information carefully before submitting your application. Check for any errors in spelling, dates, or personal details, as mistakes can delay processing. Step 7. Submit your application and print the confirmation page for your records. Note your application number to track your renewal status online. Step 8. Mail your current passport to the address provided in your confirmation. Your old passport will be returned to you with your new passport, which typically arrives within 6 to 8 weeks for routine processing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.